Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we will be making a shrimp and vegetable stir fry. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and let's begin. So I purchased one of those veggie meal kits from the supermarket, and in there is a bunch of mixed vegetables. So you can get any one of those vegetable kits, meal kits. I got the teriyaki one. So I decided to add some king mushroom that I had on hand to this recipe. And along with that is our shrimp, which we're going to clean later. So for the king mushrooms, you can use any mushrooms that you like. I'm going to chop these up and get them ready for our stir fry. So guys, our mushrooms are nice and chopped up and ready for our stir fry. And what I'm going to do is saute these in some olive oil. Now inside of that veggie kit, guys, is a teriyaki sauce and some noodles, but I am not going to use either one of these, and I'm going to use my own noodles and sauce. You can use the teriyaki sauce and the noodles if you like. That's up to you. So one of the reasons why I like to use these veggie meal kits is because they have a wide assortment of vegetables. As you can see, there's some Brussels sprouts, some kale, some carrots. So it makes a great stir fry. So guys, we're going to get back to those shrimp. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them. So the shrimp that I have here does have the shell on it, but it has been deveined. So if the vein is in the back of the shrimp, you want to clean that out. I hate doing that, so I always buy the ones that they are already deveined. And sometimes I get real lazy. I don't even get the ones with the shell on it. I just decide to get the ones without the shell and without the vein, clean them up and stir fry. But these had the shell on it, so definitely take the shell off and make sure that there is no vein in the back of the shrimp. And then from there, we're going to make sure that they're nice and washed and get them ready for our stir fry. So here are our shrimp. They are nice and cleaned, deveined, and no shell. So guys, I'm gonna season these up. This is a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And you just want to make sure that the black pepper gets all over the shrimp. And from there, we're going to add in a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're going to make sure it's generously applied all over the shrimp. A teaspoon of onion powder. And guys, these are my base seasonings, so you can add a little bit more if you like. And I'm going to do a half a teaspoon of sea salt. And you're going to make sure that this is generously applied all over your shrimp. Now for a little color, I'm adding in some parsley. Parsley is also good. It tastes good too, but it does give it a nice little look. And I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of paprika so that we can have in some additional color. Once you add in all your seasoning, you want to give everything a nice good stir so that everything is mixed well. So when you cook, your seasoning is evenly applied to all of the shrimp. So guys, one thing that I usually do not show in other videos, but it's important to know, anytime that you are working with fish or meat, you definitely want to clean your surface. That is the handles, the counter, anywhere that you touched. So back to our mushrooms. I have stir-fried them in olive oil, like I mentioned earlier. And I'm going to now stir-fry the mixed vegetable kit. And you want to keep this fairly simple. Some olive oil, about enough to coat the bottom of your pan. Then you want to add in about a half a teaspoon of sea salt. You can add in some additional seasoning like onion powder and garlic powder if you like, and that would just give an additional great taste. So these are the noodles that I decided to use. It's just something that I picked up from our Korean grocer. It's their rice stick noodles. I like the way they taste, so this is what I'm using. And here is my stir fry, guys. Doesn't that look great? I added in some sriracha sauce on top of those shrimp to give it a nice little kick. And guys, it was really, really tasty and really, really healthy. So I would definitely recommend that you try this dish. It's quick to make, and I think you would really enjoy it. So thank you guys for joining us for another video. If you enjoyed this video, we would love to hear from you in the comment section. Please leave us a smiley face, a comment, or just a thumbs up. And as a thank you for watching our videos and for joining us, please check the description section for a great gift. Guys, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next Thursday. Bye.